This is the new Nissan Frontier, and this is the new Toyota Tacoma. And these are the top 5 reasons why you should choose a Nissan Frontier over the brand new 2024 Toyota Tacoma. Let's start with a few things we love about our truck, right? First one is price difference is huge. I know it's 2024 and everything in this world is more and more expensive, but the starting MSRP plus dealership markups are making these mid-size Toyotas over $50,000. This also means you'll end up paying more for financing costs and insurance premiums, and that's even before they release their higher trim levels. Mark my word, there's gonna be people out there paying over $80,000 for a TRD Pro this year. Another thing we love about our Nissan is just the overall value. Nissans have always been positioned for the best bang for your buck. With everything in this world getting more expensive, it's nice to know you're getting everything you pay for. We also love the solid performance and drivetrain. For a stock truck, this naturally aspirated V6 is a solid performer with improved shifts from the 9-speed transmission. The new 3rd gen takes a ton of proven reliable features from the previous generation Frontiers and gives you that peace of mind. Plus, if you're looking for some extra power, we got some boost coming your way too. We love the looks and styles versus this new Tacoma. Sticking with more of a traditional look, this truck will be turning heads for years to come. It has a muscular look without looking like a gym bro that got attacked by a swarm of bees. This truck is still a little bit old school. Don't get me wrong, we love all the latest and greatest bells and whistles, but with everything else going with turbos and hybrids, it's nice to know you won't need a PhD to work on the Frontier in years to come. Rear legroom also suffers from this new tech. The isodynamic seats and the hybrid battery takes up a lot of rear seat room. Good luck finding anyone who's not a small child that's gonna fit in the back seat of this truck. Now, what the haters are gonna say. What about Nissan's depreciation? Average depreciation is about 8 to 10% more than a Tacoma over the past 5 years. But the Tacoma also starts at a higher price. A TRD off-road will cost about $54,000. That's over 30% more than what we paid for our Pro 4X. But what about the reliability? It's 2024. Most new cars and trucks nowadays are great. However, I'll take the naturally aspirated V6 over a first-year turbo or turbo hybrid in the long term, especially when it comes to their full-size trucks that have already had some issues with those. And recently, the 3rd gen Tacoma has had a massive safety recall of over 381,000 trucks for welds on the rear end. So which one is really more reliable? One thing that's easily improved is the factory rake and the wheel and tire fitment. Nothing sets your truck apart from the rest of the pack like the right stance with a well-fitting wheel and tire combination. And finally, the lack of aftermarket support. Well, that's why Z1 Off-Road is here for you. We are the one-stop shop for everything Nissan and Infiniti, OE, aftermarket, and performance parts. We're constantly adding to our catalog, so save your money from the Toyota tax and the markup and go buy yourself a new Frontier. And if you want to spend that extra $8,000 to $10,000, send it our way and we can show you what we can do to make this truck your very own. Now, did I leave anything out? Let us know. Comment below, let us know which one you choose.